welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today is a super exciting day because it's Glossybox time, and it's not just any Glossybox time. It is the Glossybox Sunday Riley limited edition. Oh, let's have a look. I'm so excited for this. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's beautiful. Look how beautiful is that box. Gorgeous. Right, okay, Sunday Riley. This, I'm sorry to tell you, is sold out. I'm pretty sure I saw that it's sold out, and I think in 9 minutes, which is just insane but amazing. So yeah, I'm very lucky to have this. Let's get into it. It says on the website, experience the benefits of the ingenious high-tech skincare from cult US brand Sunday Riley. We filled this limited edition glossy box with 5 signature Sunday Riley products, forming a complete day and night skincare regime. These luxurious cruelty-free products use only the purest ingredients to deliver fast, visible, long-lasting results. Our collection is worth over £105. It's suitable for all ages and skin types, making it the perfect introduction to Sunday Riley. So let's get in it. I love the box. Beautiful. Your skin, your results, your brand, Sunday Riley. Let's put that there. I've got a little glossy background going today. So this is the box. Oh, look at the paper. And the inside of the box is blue as well. It's so cute. Okay, let me just, I'm not going to look. This is what we've got. That is ginormous. Okay. So it says here, Glossy's Let's Talk Serious Skincare. And I am a massive believer in spend your money on your skincare, and then even cheap makeup will go on nicer if you have a good base. I do like my skincare. All the way from the US, Sunday Riley skincare range has taken the world by storm. Enjoy the benefits of this results-focused, ingenious, cruelty-free skincare brand with these 5 signature Sunday Riley products. Found backstage at most fashion shows and dubbed the internet's favourite skincare brand, Sunday Riley is worshipped by a cult following. We've heard Jordan Dunn, Cameron Diaz, Victoria Beckham, Helen Mirren and Julianne Moore are big fans. This incredible range has gained a reputation for using high-tech formulas and the purest A-grade ingredients, resulting in fast, visible, long-lasting results. It's got a colour code. Blue represents hydration, orange contains vitamin C, green denotes acne prevention treatment, and white or clear means it cleanses, clarifies and works on all skin types. So I'm going to grab the big one first because it is ginormous. Look at this. So it says Blue Moon, and it says Clean Rinse Cleansing Balm Sunday Riley. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is this full size? Yeah, this is full size. This is £46. I'm gonna just crack it open and have a look. Oh wow, look at that. I love cleansing balm. I've literally just used the very last little bit of my Clinique Take the Day Off balm, so I'm all about using this tonight. That's happening. Blue Moon Tranquility Cleansing Balm is a luxurious balm to milk soft blue cleanser. Oh, I've never used a balm to milk. All the ones I've used is balm to oil. Using gentle, clean rinsing, sugar-based beads, Blue Moon deep cleanses as it moisturizes with cocoa butter and mimosa wax flower wax. It soothes with deep blue essential oils of blue tansy and German chamomile. Vanilla and sweet orange essential oils help to relax the mind for a tranquil, spa-like experiences. It rinses clean effortlessly while thoroughly removing makeup and gently purifying the skin. I am going to be using this tonight because I have got on a full face of makeup for the first time in ages because I was on the school run and I wanted to look fancy pants. So yeah, that happened. Super exciting. Next up, I'm going to go for this little tiny one in the corner. What are you? Sleeping Night Oil. This is like, it's blue. It's like blue-green. Let me see if I can get my camera to just focus. Come on, camera. Come on, camera. There we go. And it says Luna. What is this? Luna Sleeping Night Oil. This is a deluxe mini worth £15, and this is the best-selling retinol oil is a cult product reportedly loved by supermodel Rosie Huntington-Whiteley and celebrities alike. A derivative of vitamin A, retinol boosts your skin's plumpness while improving the appearance of wrinkles, redness and pores. I am all about that. After cleansing, watch as the oil turns from blue to clear as you massage it deeply into your skin. Luna works throughout the night so you wake up to a more youthful, luminous complexion. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to try this. I'm going to put a tiny bit on my hand because I don't want to waste it. It is like the most beautiful. Look at that colour. I need all the anti-aging stuff I can get because I am getting old as balls. It has just literally gone from blue to clear. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Oh, that smells lovely. I'm gonna try this tonight as well. I might just do a whole video of like what I'm using tonight out of this box. Okay, let's get this little box next. This is CEO vitamin C and E antioxidant moisturizer. This is the, how much is this? This is a deluxe mini and it's worth £12. A full size is 60. Hydrating moisturizer infuses skin with high potency advanced vitamin C and smells like pure sunshine. The miracle moisturizer also provides powerful antioxidant support and fights the effects of micropollution induced aging. Used on top of your CEO rapid flash brightening serum and after the Luna night oil. Let's have a little look at this. So the packaging is just quite simple. Really nice. Let's have a look at the little pot inside, if I can get it out. Oh, that does smell good. I'm gonna rub it on the other hand. It's gonna have really young hands. Oh, that does smell lovely. It smells really fresh and clean. I'm excited. I'm just generally excited. There we go. That's that little pot there. That's a deluxe mini. And then we've got another orange one because orange was vitamin C and works to brighten. So this is the vitamin C rapid flash brightening serum with 15% advanced vitamin C to rapidly brighten the appearance of the skin and boost a vital skin bounce in a flash. There we go. Doesn't want to, it's teeny weeny in my camera, just can't keep up with it. There we go. So this says, get a glow with this highly potent, fast absorbing serum infused with 15% vitamin C, hydrating antioxidant formula, fights the look of dullness, dark spots and instantly brightens your skin for an intense radiance and luminosity. For enhanced brightening power, follow with this one. This is this one? Yeah. Repair moisturizer, or the other one that I haven't got to yet. And yeah, it's brightening, and it says when applied you put it on top of your sleeping oil. So let's just get a little teeny weeny bit out. I don't want it to like come out and like waste loads. Come on. Not sure if this one might be broken. I can't get anything to come out of there. I'll keep trying and I'll let you know. And then finally we've got the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream, which is a little blue pot. And this says the next generation water cream is super hydrating, advanced brightening and refining treatment. Apply to your skin twice a day to visibly brighten hyperpigmentation over time, or pat the formula on top of makeup to seal in hydration and radiance. Ooh, for extra moisture you can even apply this on top of your CEO brightening serum or on top of the Luna oil to restore your skin's plumpness. This is a deluxe mini worth £12, full size is 60. My little girl just came in because the postman came and she was excited. So, sorry about that, but I am a mum. And stuff like that happens. Let's just have a little rub of this one. Oh, that feels nice. That feels really nice. They all do. I will keep trying to get this out. But, oh, something came out, something came out. I think it might have just taken a little while to get. That smells lovely as well. They all smell amazing. That is also my daughter in the background telling me she's done a wee wee, so I'm sorry about that, Sunday Riley. I'm sorry. Yeah, so this, I think that was amazing, and I am going to use all of these doodads tonight. I'm so excited to try this balm. That is just crazy. That is going to last me like forever. It is huge. I cannot wait to try that. That is what I'm most excited to try, because I do love a cleansing balm. It's like so satisfying, like just taking your makeup off at the end of the day. Absolutely love it. So thank you so much to Glossybox for sending it to me. I will link Glossybox down below. I don't know if this is going to come back in stock, whether there's going to be a restock or if that is just completely it now, but I will link their website down below. I do have a discount code from Glossybox where you can get 20% off your first normal box. I'll put that on the screen and link it down below for you guys. But yeah, if you like these kind of unboxing videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.